Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the Network Days International Function in Excel. So most often when we are working with some kind of attendance data or some kind of working date data, then we need to use this network days to find out the actual working days for employees, and to sort out this kind of issue that on which date the holiday was there or we have to exclude the weekends. Excel provides us a brilliant function which is NetworkdaysInternational. So this Excel NetworkdaysInternational function calculates the number of working days between two specific dates, and you can optionally exclude a list of holidays, as well as it provides a way to specify which days of the week are considered weekend. So if you want to put Monday and Tuesday as weekend, you can do it with this NetworkdaysInternational function. So the whole purpose of this function is to get the work days between two dates, which will return you a number representing a specific days, or most often the specific working days. So the syntax of this NetworkdaysInternational function is the start date, end date, then there is an optional function of weekend where you can specify or you can put up the days of the week which should be considered as weekends, and then there is another optional argument in this function which is holidays. So this holidays optional function is a reference to the dates that should be considered as non-working days. So let's go to our example and see it that how we can use this NetworkdaysInternational function. So we have to find out the working days of the employees in the month, and to do that we can use this NetworkInternational function. So what we will do is that we'll put equal to, and then we'll put network days international, then it asks us the start date. So our start date will be this month start date. Then we'll put our second argument which is the end date. So for us the end date is month end date. Now it is asking us the weekends. So once you press comma, you will see that Excel has given us a list of values as our argument, as the optional argument, that which days you want to consider as weekend. So let's take Monday, Tuesday as our weekend. Okay, and now it's asking us if there is any kind of holiday that you want to include. So yes, I want to include a specific date here which is my holiday. I'll show you that which date I have considered here. So let's close this bracket and press enter. So we have considered 24th of June as our holiday, or you can say that 24th of June is a public holiday. Think of it as a public holiday. So we have excluded this 24th of June from the working day. We have excluded Monday. So we have excluded this Monday and Tuesday as our weekend from our working days, and then we are getting 20 days as the working day within this month, within this start date and within this end date. So let's drag this formula and see how many days we are getting here. Okay, there are some other dates also. This is, we are getting this minus because this date is prior of this date. So let's change the month here. 607. This, let's take 6. For this let's take 07, and for this one also let's take 07. Now it's interesting to see that okay, we have taken 9th of July as a start date and end date is 30th of September. So the total number of working days within these two dates is 60, after excluding this particular holiday which is not within this date range. So I'll take, okay, let's take here as 08. Okay, so now you have 59 days here. So this 59 day is the actual working days after excluding this specific date as a holiday. Also Monday and Tuesday has been excluded from the calculation because we have considered Monday and Tuesday as our weekends. So again, if I'll show you, You can see you have a list of days here which you can consider as the week off. So this is how you can use the network days international function to calculate the number of working days between two dates, and this function is very powerful because it provides us a list of holidays which we can exclude from our calculation, as well as it provides us a way to specify which days of the week are to be considered as a weekends.